Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing Asian style honey sriracha lime chicken drums that I'm going to put on my Traeger smoker. And they finished looking like this. Awesome, huge chicken drums here. Just going to put some salt and pepper on them now, get them prepped. And then we're gonna fire up the Traeger smoker and we're gonna get them on. So, a little bit of salt and pepper here. The higher you hold your hand with your pepper or salt mill, the more coverage you'll get, which is ideally kind of what we want. I'll give that a minute to soak up some of that goodness, flip them, and then we'll put them on the Traeger. Super hot, sunny day here in Ontario, Canada. I'm going to introduce my Traeger smoker. I've had it for a couple years. Super versatile, awesome piece of kit. But you could also do these on the barbecue or you could do them in the oven. So the Traeger smoker is pellet fed and it's a fire that's underneath and you set it to a temperature almost like an oven and it gets up to temp. So I'm going to give the grill a quick scrape here and we'll be ready to throw some chicken on. Now we just set it and forget it.
If you followed all the instructional material, you just set it and forget it.
Now, I'll set a timer for probably 25 minutes. Come out, give them a flip, cook them a little bit longer, and then we'll baste them. Okay, so we just put the chicken on the Traeger. Now it's time to make our honey sriracha lime sauce. So I want to let you know, and you probably already know this, but when you're cooking with honey packed full of sugar, you don't want to put that on early on in the barbecue because you're going to burn your meat because it's just going to caramelize too much and it's just going to become a mess. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook that chicken almost to the end and then we're going to baste it in our sauce. So our sauce consists of, and we're going to make it live right now.
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
So a 1/4 cup of honey, fresh lime. I always give it a quick roll, helps the juice kind of release, I guess. We're gonna give that a slice. If you don't have fresh lime, the concentrated lime juice that you can buy at the grocery store is fine. And I would say 1 full lime would constitute roughly 2 tablespoons of the lime juice. And if you like it more limey, add more lime. The lime juice is in. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Boom, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. 2. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sriracha. I've mentioned before, I really like spicy. If you like spicier, add more. If you like less spicy, add less. Okay, so that's in there. Give that a quick mix. Then we're just gonna add some salt and pepper, and our sauce is done. There's our basting sauce.
A few minutes later.
It's been 25 minutes. We're gonna give our chicken a flip. Threw some shades on, was a little too squinty. I mean, I'm squinty on the best of days, so anyway, I apologize for the shade. So as I previously mentioned, not gonna sauce these yet. The honey has too much sugar and I don't want it to burn. So I'm gonna cook these for probably another 20 minutes. Then we are going to hit them with some sauce, cook them for a few minutes, flip them, hit them with some sauce again, and then we're gonna chow down.
20 minutes later.
Back outside again, got our sauce. We're gonna give these a baste. So you can see they're really starting to get nice and crispy, which is nice. So this is kind of a thinner sauce, which is okay. So I'm gonna give those a flip. And I'm gonna throw some more baste on them. And then hopefully we're gonna get some nice color on these. And we'll let them sit for another couple minutes. We'll come back out, put some more sauce on them, and we'll be done.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Another great episode. Well, maybe I'm a little bit biased. What did you think? Let us know. Leave a comment. Hit the like button, subscribe. Tell your friends. We'll see you on the next one.
I was thinking about you.